Hi, this is Izzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop Discord saving your camera uploads to device. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Video games and the internet go together like Doritos and Mountain Dew. With online play, you need to seek an arcade's bustling crowd or wrangle friends together from couch gaming. You can enjoy cooperating with or competing against people from across the globe. Online multiplayer isn't always a pleasant experience, especially when it comes to communication. Listen to a random faraway stranger screech obscenities and you can be enough to make you want to burn your gaming headset. However, conducting expect MMO rates or coordinating shooter tactic with teammate was not possible in the era before online chat. And today's Discord is the service that people turn for effective online gaming chat. On my previous video, I've shown you how to use Discord, how to create account on Discord. But now, what if you don't want Discord to saving your camera upload to your device? It's very simple. First of all, first how to open our Discord. Now you can go to your profile on the bottom right here. Tap on the upper right corner. You can go to settings. You can just scroll down until you find there is an option chat. You can select on that, and there is an option camera upload. So by default, it's set this feature is enabled. You can just disable this feature by tap on the toggle in here. So now when this feature on, image and videos capture using the camera when sending a message will save to the device as well. But if you turn this off, the image and also videos capture using the camera when sending a message will not save to the device as well. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop Discord saving camera uploads to your device. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!